Okay, so guys, I've been hearing strange noises coming from my vent, and I'm gonna show you my vent. Look, it's coming from that vent right there. I keep hearing noises late at night, and that's what's happening. I don't know if my house is haunted or not. Today we're gonna check it out. Gonna see if you can see anything in there. You see anything? Yo, you see anything? I don't think they can see anything. Oh. Y'all can't see it. It's like growling and whispering. I don't know why. But I'm going anyways. Hey, Mai!
Yes, darling.
I'm making a YouTube video.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay.
You kind of interrupted it though there, but it's okay. You kind of interrupted it, but it's okay. It's fine. Okay. So we're gonna set up cameras around the house so we can figure out what's going on. Let's do this. Okay. Time to go to bed. Good night, guys. Ooh. Hours later. Ooh. Good morning. What a lovely day. In the morning. Oh, let me pick up this. Well, yeah, this is pretty good. But I keep hearing noises. I heard some while I was recording. Look at my mouth. Yeah, that's pretty gross. This video isn't that long. It's only like 5 minutes. So time to sit in the living room.
I'm kidding.
Here's my living room. I'm talking about I've been hearing strange noises in my vents.
Oh my goodness.
Oh no, not the vents. Not the worst place of all.
Okay. Look at the TV, y'all. It's nice. Look, it's a cute little bunny rabbit. See, this is kind of boring. All we're doing is sitting and doing nothing, so let's get up.
Let's do this.
Okay, we're back. Hearing noises, especially from here. So, I don't know about this, but if you like this video, like and subscribe right now if you want to see part 2. So, peace.